It's Annabelle from the Mama, and today we'll be making a slime stress ball, and I might need a bit of help, so I brought on my sister to help me. Unfortunately, my other sister, Elizabeth, will not be able to make it because she's at a friend's house. Yeah, so let's get on to the video. Attached to the balloon, and we're just going to put some slime in and get started. So let's get started. We just discovered that using the funnel is actually harder than it looks. So our suggestion is don't use it. It's actually just easier just to shove it in there. It does take a bit more time, but it is more quality.
We should have tried this out before we did this video.
Sorry for the inconvenience, but just don't use the funnel. It's much harder than it actually looks.
Yes. This is the finishing product. Very jiggly. Because this is not only slime. We added a little bit of slime because it was really hard and really messy. So we added some foaming soap from Bath & Bodies, and most of this is water. That's why it's so jiggly. We couldn't even tie this. It went all over my shirt. The spots that are dark is all on my shirt. So, yeah.
Yeah, but the overall product, it was a bit messy, but the overall product is actually really good. You can actually see
it even bounces.
Yeah, it even bounces. I mean, like, I don't know any other stress ball that can do that. So I think this is actually pretty cool. So signing off on that note, remember, like, subscribe, and comment down below
if you like this video and what videos you want to see. Bye! Thanks for watching.
And remember, keep making slime.